Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Hori RWA with a PC. And to do this, first right here you can see the preview on the top right corner of the screen of my camera. Here's the wheel and it is quite simple, so it comes with the pedals as well. So we need to connect the pedals right here with our wheel, and you can do it with this small cable. So take a look on the back of your wheel and simply plug it in. Then next thing that we need to do is connect our wheel to the PC, and it comes with connected cable USB. So simply plug it into your PC and it should start working. Now, next thing I would recommend to do is to download the software from their main website. You can visit it right here or search for it on Google and locate the software and firmware update in the support tab. There's a Hori Device Manager app that we need to download. The little refreshes and it should detect your wheel. Here it is. And now we can click on it to customize the buttons mapping and adjust our profiles. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.